Hey guys, and welcome to Nitro Learn. So today we're going to be talking about Elif statements. So what are Elif statements? Elif statements are a hybrid of if statements and else statements. They don't meet the condition of the if statement, but they have another special condition, so they can't go to the else statement. But why do we need Elif statements? Because we can stack if statements. So the reason we do this is because if we stack if statements, we might get multiple outputs. Meanwhile, if we use elif statements, we guarantee that we only get one output. So when will we use this? It's generally used when there's more than one possibility. For example, the number 0 is not positive nor negative. It is its own case. So we generally use elif statements when there are special cases like this, and we only want the computer to return one output. So now that we know a little bit about elif statements, why don't we go take a look at them in a Jupyter notebook? So as we can see, the condition of an elif statement is very similar to an if statement. In fact, practically identical. The only difference is instead of saying if one condition, you say elif and then the condition. So now that we know the syntax, let's take a practical approach and do some examples. So we did the positive number, negative number program. So let's say x equals 0. Then we'll say if x is greater than 0, print positive. Then we can say elif x is equal to 0, print 0. Else, print negative. And when we run this, we get 0. So now we can apply this to other data types and we can stack elif statements. For example, if we wanted to know the country of a capital and we gave a few capitals and wanted to see the countries, we would say like capital is equal to DC. Then we can say if capital is equal to London, print England. Then we can do elif capital is equal to Dublin, print Ireland. Then we can do elif capital is equal to DC, print United States. And then we can say else, print answer not known. So if we run this, we get the United States. And let's say we want to know Ottawa, we would get answer not known. So that's elif statements. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I hope you learned something. As always, this was Nitro Learn. Now we're going to talk about one of our partners. It's an organization called The Gift of Learning. And it's a great organization, and I highly recommend them. The Gift of Learning plans to spread learning by providing free tutoring over quarantine. So it provides tutors in various academic subjects, and all of their tutors have levels of expertise that can help make sure that they can properly meet your needs. I highly recommend using this organization, and if you're interested in tutoring someone, I recommend that you go through them. It's a great organization. They have several students who want to learn, and you can receive community service hours. I will put their link and Instagram down below in the description. Please check them out. Please give them a follow because they're a great organization. And see you until next time. Goodbye.